Happy Thursday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So we have a brand new Google Sheet action today. That's right, for the workflow builder. So we released text formatter earlier today. Now we're doing the Google Sheets action. So let's jump in here and take a look at exactly what's new. So first up, create multiple rows. So you can now effortlessly create multiple rows in your Google Sheet with a single action. So you can streamline your data process. Also, you can update multiple rows as well now. So these are the two big additions here. So you can obviously seamlessly update multiple rows. With these additions, you can take your data management, blah, blah, blah. So that's easy. So the idea here is inside Google Sheets, you can see now it says create multiple spreadsheet rows and update multiple spreadsheet rows. So now when you come in here, you can see this is like the execution logs. You can see when it actually does the update here. So this is like down here when you're in a workflow builder, it looks just like the same Google Sheets action, just with those additional options in it. So now if you look inside the action itself, here's a great example. So creating multiple, here's the account I want, the drive I want, the spreadsheet I want, all of that is basically, you've seen that all before, but now what you can see here is you can say, okay, I want to start with this column, end with this column, and here are all the items that I want to put in, right? And so it'll actually go through and create not just one at a time, but now it'll create multiple. And this is a great example of when this would come up. So what you can see right here is this is like, think about this as like inbound information coming in off a webhook. So let's say you get a collection of something, right? So you get a list of something, like a list of attendees, for example, instead of just that comes in as a collection of whatever, let's say it's 10 people. Before it's like, oh, I can add one row. Well, that doesn't really help me. I need to add 10 rows. So now what you're doing is you'll be able to take that list of attendees and pop it into the Google spreadsheet, and boom, you'll be able to create all of those rows or update all of those rows simultaneously. That's a great example of that use case. And you can kind of see what that would look like in a Google Sheet when you do that. So being able to create those multiple rows and update those multiple rows is an awesome new addition. So anyways, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Thursday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.